and tear clothes are manufactured using, okay, wash and wear clothes, right? So when we take a look over here, all of these are the fibers. But one out of these fibers, that is the terylene fibers. These particular fibers are resistant. Okay, these are very good resistance to crease. So we call it as a crease resistant, right? It also shows an extreme resistance to the damage which is being done by the pests like the moth or mildews. Okay, these are the pests which usually damage the clothes, but it is also resistant to the damages done by these particular pests. Hence, what they do is they take these particular terylene and incorporate them, blend it, mix it with the terrycoat, that is the cotton, or terry wool, that is the wool, right? Now, when they mix with these, whatever the fabrics that we get, these fabrics are used as the wash and wear clothes because of its low absorption of water. Okay, so therefore our answer is C here.